client has 39 hospitals in Paris, which count for more than 85,000 users. Where it began was that these 39 hospitals before had different systems to work on the patient documents. Hence, it was all a patchwork with various tools to use. The users, the carers in hospitals, had various ways of capitalizing, of managing the patient documents. But then, in the mean of simplifying data and many others objects, the client decided to harmonize all 39 hospitals through one system only. So they had a huge impact on the users for cultural transformation. The job also was different because although you're doing 8 years of study to be a doctor, you still had to learn how to use this system. And of course, there was a global process harmonization work to be done. It was quite major, as you can imagine, with this number of users. This impact, it had to have no impact at all on the client's hospital, which is the patient, which can be you, which can be me. So it was a huge transformation to go through. What were the pillars we were providing? First of all, it's the contextual assistance, which we work hand in hand with Assima. The user is helped while he's working. It doesn't have to stop what is going on. It doesn't have to stop caring for the patient. If you have a question, ask it away and carry on his duties. And also, we provide a website where e-learnings are available, and also news, actualities, information about what's going on, which can be also transferred through the contextualized assistance. And also a change agent network, because as I told you, 39 hospitals is difficult to reach out without having a human strongly linked with the field. So the first type of help is what we call information note. It's like a sticky note. It means it links to a point and gives information on maybe a definition, how to use a field, how to do manipulation. It varies. Then you have in the middle what is called step by steps. It helps you go through the screen. And then we have the chatbot, which is powered by IBM Watson, so people can have a discussion and exchange in natural language. All of these, the e-learning, the website, the contextualized assistant, all these are followed closely because monitoring is very important in our project, because what we do is in an agile way. We launch different notes on the screens, and what is important is to have a step back and get the information. Does it work? Is it interesting for the users? When are they using it? Oh, after a major version, it is well needed, and then they don't use it anymore. Okay, disable this one. Maybe we need another help on this aspect, and so on. So monitoring is in this continuous circle of improvement, very, very important. In just 1 year, we had more than 80 different helps on the screen provided. Some were retrieved, some stayed, as you can see here, to help with the new versions. And also we had more than 30 to 40 e-learnings that was up to 3 hours. All this was just triggered in a way by 20 hours of workshop with the client, which led to an adoption plan. And just a small point of numbers, we had more than 4,000 people using the coach at the moment. So that's it, 4 hours of e-learning, 44 e-learnings available. And on the more institutional aspects, more than 150 change agents helping us, 340 contributing to identifying the helps that was being built.